Okay, children, so let us discuss today 6.3 exercise. Triangles lesson, children. Triangles lesson. So page number 139, children. So first sum is very easy, children. You start doing it. Okay. Second sum onwards, I will be telling children. First sum is very easy. Just is asking which criteria you can say. On the whole, children, what are the criteria we are going to use? Means either AAA, either SSS, or SAS, or that's it. SAS. Yes is there, children. Yes, yes, that's it. Okay, children, only these criteria we are going to use, children. Let's start, children. Okay, so second sum, children. Second sum onwards I'm doing, children. For second sum is given like this, children. Very easy sum. Please see here all of it. Okay, today we discuss five sums, children. And this is A, this is C, this is B, this is D, this is O, this is 1, 2, 5 degrees, and this is 70 degrees, children. What is the question? Find DOC, DCO, OAB, everything they ask the children. Thing is, he said these both are parallel lines, children. Children, these both are parallel means this triangle and this triangle are similar, children. Why means this angle equal to this angle. Can anyone say why this angle equal to this angle?
Alternate angles.
This angle equal to this
Alternate
angle,
in phase.
alternate angles. So by AA, these both are similar, children. By AA, these both are similar. All of you see, children. By AA, these both are similar. Okay. If this is 70, this is also 70, children. Okay. So what else they have given, children? So find DOC. Okay. Find DCO. They have asked you to find DCO also, and OAB also, children. OAB. Okay. 125 degrees they have given, children. Please check all of it. So if this is 70 degrees, this is 70 degrees, children. So how do you find out these angles? How do you find out these angles? Children, yes, how do you find out these angles? Children, all these angles is asking us to find out all these angles. All these angles we have to find out. Yeah. Find DOC they are saying, find DCO they are saying. Exterior angle is equal to exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles if you take what function? No.
Sir, I think figure is wrong, sir.
If it is wrong,
I think near angle D is 70 degrees.
D is 70. No.
Yes, sir.
CD, CD, oh yeah. That's
And
what I'm
near
saying.
angle
Angle D is equal to
Yeah,
70 degrees.
yes, children. CDO is 70. That's what I'm saying. This is 70. See, yeah, now it will happen.
and angle B is equal to 70 degrees.
So, children, if this is 70, this is also 70.
70.
Children, let me take this as x, children. 125 plus x, what we can write? 180. X is equal to 180 minus 125 because linear pair, children, compulsory should write reason. X is equal to how much, children? 55 degrees. So, children, this is 55. If this is 55, this is 70, what will be this, children? Okay. And some property 70 plus 55 plus k is equal to 180. 125 plus k is equal to 180. This comes here. K is equal to 180 minus 125. So k is equal to 180 minus 125 is how much? 55. So children, this is going to be 55. If this is 55, this is also 55, and this is also 55, this is also 55. Children, like this here. Okay, children, very easy sum. If this is 70, this is also 70. Why, children? Alternate angles. If this is 55, this is also 55. Why? Alternate angles. Why alternate angles? Because these both are parallel lines. Like this, it is there, no, children. Okay. If this is 70, listen. If this is 70, okay. So this will be also 70. Why, children? Alternate angles. This will become a transversal. This both are parallel lines. This is your second sum, children. Go to third sum, children. Okay. Go to third sum. So in third sum, children, they have given that there is a trapezium ABCD is there, children. Please check. Trapezium A, B, C, D. They both are intersecting at O. They both are intersecting at O, children. Children, since it is a trapezium, what is trapezium? AB is parallel to CD.
CD.
AB is parallel to CD. Okay, so required to proof is we have to prove that OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. We have to prove. Children, let's prove, children. So, children, anyone? So, AB is parallel to CD. They said. Can I say angle 1 is equal to angle 2, children?
Yes, sir.
Why angle 1 is equal to angle 2?
Alternating.
Alternate interior angles.
Alternate interior angles. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Why, children?
Alternate interior.
Of course, angle O is equal to angle O, vertically opposite, but two angles, if you prove, it is enough, children. So, by AA similarity, OAB, OAB is similar to OC, OAB is similar to OCD. Okay, children. So, since they are similar, children, apply CPST, corresponding parts of similar triangles. What are the CPST, children? Tell me. OA by OC, OA by OC, OB by OD, OB by OB, OB, and AB by CD, that is not required. Rearrange them. This will come here. This will go here. So OA by OB is equal to OC by OD. Arrangement OA by OC and OB by OD. OA by OC.
Sir, no need to rearrange.
Sir, but required to
No need
prove
to
is
rearrange.
different, no, sir.
Okay. Required proof is only same. No? Yeah. Leave it. Okay, children. So be careful, children. This by this only we should take. You can't take this by this, children, because this angle and this angle are equal. No? Don't take this by this, children. You have to take this by this, and this by this, children. You should be careful by taking CPST, corresponding parts of similar triangles. By practice, you will understand, children. Next, go to fourth sum. Go to fourth sum, children. There is a fourth sum. In the fourth sum, they have given that there is a triangle, children, QTR. QTR. Okay, children. And there is P is here, children. Please check, children. This is yes. And they said angle 1 is equal to angle. Given, children, they have given that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Required to prove is what, children? And also they have given that QR by QS is equal to QT by PR. See in your textbooks, children, don't sit idle like that. Okay, what is required to prove? We have to prove that PQS is similar to PQR. PQR. Let's go to proof, children. Be careful, children, of this here. Children, angle 1 is equal to angle. When base angles are equal, sides are
Same.
equal. Sides are equal. So children, PQ is equal to PR. Angle 1 is equal to PQ. Angle 2 is equal to PR. See, children, angle 1 and angle 2 are equal. So this and this sides are equal. Now what they have given that QR by QS is equal to QT by PR. Instead of PQ, instead of PR, children, instead of PR, put here PQ, children. That's it. Over. Instead of PR, put here PQ, children. So QR by QS is equal to QT by PQ. Try to listen, children. QR by QS is equal to QT by PQ. And this is small triangle. This is big triangle. In small triangle and big triangle, which is the common angle?
Angle.
Angle 1 or angle Q. Angle Q is common angle in both of them. So by S, A, S, SAS, we can say that PQS is similar to PQS is similar. PQS is similar to TQR. TQR. You should understand, children. Just PR replaced with PQ because he only gave. That's all. QR by QS, QT by QP, we got. Angle Q is there in small triangle, it is also there in big triangle, common angle. This is common angle. So by S, side, angle, side. If anyone asks, write CPST, CPST. Already CPST is there, no? QR by QS. If anyone asks, QR by QS, QT by QP. What is third side? Anyone? What is third side? What is third side?
QT by PR.
What is this? Children? QR by QS, QT by QP. What is third side? Anyone?
QT by PR.
No.
PS by TR?
Yes, tell me.
Sir, PS by TR?
The big one first. Big one first.
TR by PS.
TR by PS. TR by PS. Big one by small one. Because first we are taking big, then small. Big, small. Big, small. Like this. If they ask, they didn't ask. They are just asked to do this. Just I'm showing you children. That's all. And last one for the day, children. Fix. Last one for the day, children. Be careful of you. S and T are the points on side PR and QR of PQR. Children, there is a triangle PQR. And S is point on PR. S is point on PR. And T is point on QR. T is point on QR. Given what? Angle P is equal to angle RTS. Angle P is equal to angle RTS. Okay. Required proof is small triangle RPQ or big triangle RPQ is similar to small triangle RTS. This big triangle and this small triangle are similar. He's asking. Yes, anyone wants to say, children? Anyone wants to say? Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Why?
Alternate.
Given. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Given, children. They only give. In small triangle and big triangle, which angle is common? Anyone?
R. Angle R.
Angle R is equal to angle R because it is common angle. It is there in small triangle and big triangle. So by what similarity, children? Anyone? Two angles are same. What similarity?
A.
By AA similarity. If two angles are same, if by AA similarity, RTS is similar to RPQ. RPQ because R is common. T and P they give. S and Q automatically will come. Okay, this he asked. Can anyone say CPST? They didn't ask, but I am telling. Anyone say CPST? Anyone?
PR by PS is equal to QR by QT is equal.
First small triangle I want. Small triangle. RT by
RT by RQ is equal
no
to
RT by RP by RP. See, RP by RP because this. Those who did not understand, please see here, children. Those who did not understand, you should be careful with this. If not, triangles is not congruency. See, children. Angle R should be same. Angle P should be same. S and P automatically came. Those who did not understand what to take, I am saying easy method. RT by RP, RT by RP, TS by PQ, TS by PQ, RS by RQ. Now you see, RT by RP, TS by PQ, and RS by RQ. See, children, those who did not understand. Why this by this? Because this angle and this angle are equal. While writing only, RTS is similar to RPQ when you are writing. RR is same, that's why we wrote in same places. T and P are same because he gave, that's why they are in same places. S and Q came automatically, no problem. You should write in perfect manner. I can't say RTS is equal to QPR, whatever I want, I can't write like that. Children, I can't write like that, children. Now only I'm saying you should follow a proper procedure. Then only you will understand how to write CPST. If you write this only properly, children, this only if you write properly, easily we can say. How I told children? I told them RT by RP, TS by PQ, RS by RQ easily. Whatever angles you are writing, same angles you should write. As I keep on saying, I'll tell children, they didn't ask this, but I only told you because you should understand. Okay, children, they didn't ask this, I only told you so that you will understand perfection. You'll get perfection, children. Okay, anyway, children, remaining sums we'll do tomorrow, children, and do all these sums each 2 times and submit to me as homework, children. Thank you.